Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off game mode on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn on and off game mode on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings and then click on gaming. After that, click game mode in the left sidebar, and here you can see game mode. It's on. To turn it off, just click on it again. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn on and off game mode on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.